Happy Sunday, my friends. I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend so far, but I am back with another work from home job lead. I wanted to go ahead and get this one out and share it before it is too late, but real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you are looking for a work from home job and never want to miss another upload from me, please make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. But with that being said, today's job lead is a non-phone data entry position. This is for my United States folks or my Canadian folks. So it's US and Canada only. But the property management and realty company, Bravo Property Management and Realty, they are hiring a remote data entry clerk. They are looking for someone to receive and process invoices for payment, update invoice details accordingly, accurately enter data into the corresponding fields within different software programs. You'll identify and correct any data entry areas using the appropriate quality control methods. You'll manage and organize records and files. You'll provide general data entry support across many teams. Now, the qualifications are a high school diploma or GED is required, but no college degree. And they require very little experience, 1 year of data entry experience or related office experience. So not much experience is required at all. You do need to know Microsoft Office and have some basic computer skills. Now, you will have to have the ability to enter data and type quickly and be comfortable working with the computer and all kinds of different computer equipment. They do also want someone who has strong attention to detail and someone who's a critical thinker. Now, pay for this is very well for a data entry position. They are paying anywhere from $45,000 a year to $65,000 a year. That breaks down to about $865 or so a week, all the way up to $1,200 a week. And of course, they have a benefit package that includes paid training, so you get paid for all of the training they will train. They have standard vision, dental, 401k, and paid time off, and of course you get to work from home. Now, no weekends are required with this position as it is a Monday through Friday 8-hour-a-day shift. As always, if there is anything specific that you are looking for, feel free to leave that in the comments because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.